This morning, Bayside Landscape and Pruning is coming out to begin a 2-day project, building a privacy fence in our front yard. The purpose is to reduce the noise from the road and the visibility of traffic going by, while not impeding our view of the mountains. That's the plan. Using 6-foot-tall metal garden arches, we mocked up the desired height and location of the fence. Unfortunately, the clouds cover the mountains today. Here comes Bayside. Good girl. Truck fit perfectly on the new parking strip.
Absolutely.
Designed for the purpose.
Can I borrow your foot?
You can.
Okay. I'm gonna mark where all the posts are going. Let's see here, maybe 24 feet. That's where the post will go.
You do this kind of stuff real time. Who wants to see it again on YouTube?
I should create my own channel because we do, you know, tree work and stuff too, and some of that's pretty exciting stuff. And we build decks and fences and all kinds of fun things. Bump it up against the side of it.
8 foot, 24, and how long in the middle?
64.
64, okay. It's basically a U shape, and the sides of it will provide extra support for, you know, winds and that sort of thing, and additional screening.
Over here to the truck.
Already got one post hole dug. We got a team of 3 here: Mathew, Jose, and Rob. These are 6x6 posts, plenty strong for this fence. 2 60-pound sacks of concrete.
I'll do the line test again. Have 4x4 post here. Try that. As long as you understand there's a little more material, so it'll be a little extra cost.
Oh, okay. What would the more material be for the windows?
Yeah.
Looks like we got a bit of a crown on there.
And the purpose of that crown is to keep the water from puddling at the base of the post. Because when water puddles at the base of a post, it prematurely rots the post, and then all your labor is in vain. So do it once, do it right.
Nice crown on this one.
That's why I'm glad I don't do them all day long every day.
Now it's fences.
Now it's fences. It's kind of funny. It goes in waves.
Here comes the concrete.
Pull away and back. Oh, we're good. Pour concrete now.
Well, good. We can hang all kinds of heavy artwork on there, metal and.
Just artwork, only hang artwork.
Well, we were going to put a boat anchor. It'll support that, won't it?
I got twisted when we were filling it.
A little bit of a twist.
Okay, let's try that. Okay, a little more. We're almost there. Okay, we got it.
I heard something crack.
That was my shoulder.
Oh. Working smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do it
You have
the
it
easy way,
level.
sure.
Posts are all up. Well, 2 more to go. Very straight. We'll have to adjust for the angle of this end post because the side fence is a little bit different angle.
Okay, this hole needs to be dug towards the street. The rule is try to lift straight on with stuff, not twist.
Nice. A little bit of adjustment to the post holes, get them in perfect alignment. They're going to let the posts set during their lunch break. So Matthew, how does it work on the end posts because of the angle of the side fences?
It makes for a lot of precise angle cuts. It makes it more challenging, which makes it more fun.
Well, that's a wrap for the post installation. Pretty impressive.